Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Wurrd app. Wurrd is a mobile client for the operator for a few platforms including LiveHelperChat and Mibew Messenger. To use the app, you need to install the Wurrd extension or plugin in your server. I will provide links in the description on where to get those plugins from, but you can actually grab them from our website wurrdapp.com/getitnow. There you'll find the plugins for Mibew and LiveHelperChat. So you can test this without necessarily installing the plugins on your website. We have set up some demo servers that have the plugins installed for you to test with. So for today we are going to try with we're going to test with LiveHelperChat, and if we have some time we'll also test with Mibew. So to test with LiveHelperChat, you can click on this widget page here, which will open this new page, and the widget will be down there telling you that there is no one currently available on chat. To log in, you need the URL, the username, and the password. So we're going to log on to this one, wurrdapp.com/lhc1. Username, we've kept things simple here. Certainly use more complicated credentials than what has been presented here. So, oops, we had an error there, incorrect username or password. Let's see what we missed. Okay, so we successfully logged in. When you log in, you are presented with this page which gives a summary of your server. Gives the server info, operator info, and operator availability. The cool thing about the Wurrd app is this operator availability feature, which manages your availability automatically based on a schedule. So for now it says that we are online and we'll be offline at 5 p.m. If you are testing this at a time that you are not online, you would need to adjust the schedule here such that you are online at the time that you're testing it. So if we click on this, we'll see that by default the schedule of availability that we have is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. You can adjust this as you see fit. So let's say we wanted to make ourselves available until 6:30 p.m. You select those and you click OK, and you'll see that we're now available until 6:30 p.m. Today. So if we go back, we will see this dashboard which presents our chat history and also our chat servers. So for the chat history, let's clear a few things here. For the chat history, it shows the list of chats that are currently active, but none of this is ours for now. We are going to test right here with one of them. If we refresh this, we should find out that we are now online. There you go. So if we click on this and say for a name, let's say Wurrd video, and we ask a question here and we start the chat. So For those who are used to LiveHelperChat, nothing changes from the visitor standpoint. Now we get a notification in the app that we're now available. If that there is somebody who wants to chat with us, we can click on that and click on that chat. When you open the chat, it will show you the list of questions or messages that the user has asked or sent. However, you are not yet engaged with the visitor, so you cannot type in the box. Now, to start the conversation with the visitor, you click on this start chat icon, and there you go. It shows here that this operator is now available to chat with the visitor. So I can type a question here, or I can just send a message. And if I click on the send here, it goes through, and the visitor can also chat. And click on send, and we should also get it now. There you go. So that's pretty much what it is. So one of the other cool things is that you also have access to, as an operator, you also have access to canned messages. So if you click on this icon here, you will see the canned messages that we have that have been set up for the operator. So we can choose anything and just click send, and the user should have that. So that makes it easy for you to chat with the with your visitor while mobile. You don't have to type everything on the tiny mobile keyboard. Now, just quickly, Wurrd allows us to manage multiple sites at the same time. So we can check out, say we want to check out this Mibew server. It's the same process. Just click on that, enter the URL, again, for the sake of simplicity, that is done. So as you can see, this is another server with the same, with similar schedule. If you want to put the operator completely offline without logging out the operator, you simply do that, and you will see that for now they are suspended, they're not available to chat. Put it back online, and they are now available to chat. So you can see here that we have the two servers now available, and if we refresh this, you'll see that the button has now gone green, means you're available, and you can also start a conversation. Wurrd testing Mibew. And now I'm not too creative with the names, but and there you go. You can also click that, and same process, start. Once you start, you can have the same conversation, have the conversation with them. hello, and here you can also say hi. So the canned messages are also available, and as we would expect, they will be different for this server versus the other server. So if we click on this conversation, we see we have a different set of messages versus if we click on this conversation, we have a different set of messages. So for those who sort things out by departments or so, it all works out. So that is that for now. If you have any questions, or if you, we encourage you to explore the app. There are other features that are embedded in the settings here, but we don't have much time to explore what each of these is. But you're encouraged to explore the app, and definitely we're looking for improvements. We're constantly making improvements. So you would just contact us with any feature request, or if something is not working out for you. Now, once you finish with a conversation, you can close that chat session such that well, you know that you're done with it. That's this button up top here, and you can close it. Now that session is closed, and once it is closed, it moves down to, it moves down below such that all your active chats are up top, then your closed chats are at the bottom there. So that's pretty much how it is organized. Feel free to drop us messages, questions, or leave us whatever feedback you have. Hopefully this clarifies how to use the app. Thank you, and bye-bye.